Hello, I'm here to cook the food. Ba 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 da ba da ba ba da ba 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 da ba da bum. I got this spaghetti. I don't have the other part, but it's spaghetti. It's like, whoa. It's like that, eh? Got that. I got rice and that. Sweet rice, long life rice. I've got the salt, that, and the honey, all in this with vegetables, carrots, broccoli, and other vegetables in it. What vegetables did I put? I've got that one. What's this one? This is the pak choy. The vegetables, a bit of this garlic, a bit of this ginger, a bit of that. It's got rice in it, and anyway, it's cooking. It's got to cook a little bit longer because but it's sticking to the bottom though. Look, it's sticking to the bottom though. Where it's cut, this is supposed to not be. This is a non-stick fry pan, but still sticking to the bottom. It needs to cook a little bit more. Just the rice is just because it's just put in 5 minutes ago, so it needs to cook the rice just a little bit more. But maybe just the heat. Maybe turn it off. But it's got all. Look, it's like a soup. It's got all heaps vegetables, all different vegetables, all different sauces, like I told you, and salt, even this one as well. We gotta put some of this. Some of that one. The garlic. This is the oil. Very nice oil, but expensive. $10. Expensive, $10. Yo hablo español. Okay, the food. Muchas gracias for debating more nicer, more beautiful, more interesting relationship. That's what I need. I need that. Punch me in the head. Fuck me up. I'm being naughty. Fucking dogs. I love you. Okay, so more nicer, good more manners, and say thank you to people when you get upset. Don't just go. Don't do that. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes. When it's cooked, it's like that. All right, it's beautiful. I love you. I'll be back soon with the final results. Thank you. Hello, blah, 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 blah. The food is finished. It's very hot, hot. Very hot. It's got broccoli, all the herbs. Turn out like that. It's hot, very hot. Okay, I'm gonna go and eat my food now. And more good manners, more thank you, more everything, more. Because I'm being naughty this week. Being naughty. I love you. Soy chileno. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeehaw! Okay, I put all the herbs together. It's got spaghetti, chicken. It's got everything. All the spices. All look good. Good. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Be nice. Be nice. And extra. Extra. Do extra. Got a knife and fork and things. Got, are you hungry? Japanese food cuisine. Ha ha ha.